Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Trading Learning Channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have requested: how to become a successful trader. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategies, this video is packed with tips and insights to help you succeed. So, let's get started. Topic 1. Understanding the basics. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Trading isn't just about buying and selling, it's about making informed decisions. Here are the key concepts you need to understand. 1. Markets. Know the different types of markets you can trade in, like stocks, Forex, and commodities. 2. Instruments. Understand the financial instruments available, such as shares, options, and futures. 3. Trading styles. Get familiar with different trading styles, from day trading to swing trading and long-term investing. Segment 2. Building a strong foundation. Next, let's talk about building a strong foundation. This involves education and practice. 1. Learn continuously. Read books, take courses, and follow market news. 2. Practice with simulators. Use trading simulators to practice without risking real money. 3. Understand risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Use stop-loss orders to protect your investments. Segment 3. Developing a strategy. A successful trader needs a solid strategy. Here's how you can develop yours. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your trading. 2. Research and analyze. Use technical and fundamental analysis to make informed decisions. 3. Test your strategy. Backtest your strategy on historical data to see how it performs. Segment 4. Psychological aspects of trading. Trading isn't just about numbers. It's also about mindset. Here are some psychological aspects to consider. 1. Stay disciplined. Stick to your trading plan and avoid impulsive decisions. 2. Manage stress. Trading can be stressful. Find ways to manage stress, like meditation or exercise. 3. Learn from mistakes. Every trader makes mistakes. Learn from them and improve your strategy. Segment 5. Tools and resources. Finally, let's talk about the tools and resources that can help you become a successful trader. 1. Trading platforms. Choose a reliable trading platform with good features and support. 2. Charting tools. Use charting tools to analyze market trends and patterns. 3. News sources. Stay updated with reliable news sources for market news and updates. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide on how to become a successful trader. Remember, trading is a journey, and success comes with time, education, and practice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Trading Learning Channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Happy trading!